Well, I'm sitting in here checking the AC and I hear a beeping of a horn. Chris seems to have gotten himself a little stuck. If you let go of the tractor, will it go?
Yeah, but I'm trying to drag the tractor. I need a bigger tractor.
Damn it, you made a mess of the freshly graded parking lot. Good as new. No, but I don't think that it's going to, because you're hitting a part of the rim that's no longer connected to the rim. Got it.
My wife says she wants a tractor tire. Guess what? I'll give her a tractor tire.
There's nothing left of that wheel.
I'm glad I picked this tire. This is like the worst of the ones.
You say that, and we haven't got the second tractor here yet. It might have worse tires.
No, I looked at it.
That way better?
Yeah. Otherwise, I would try getting it before I had to get this tire off. You wouldn't mind grabbing a pry bar, would you?
Yeah, how big a one you want?
Oh, big enough to pry that tire off that rim.
I don't think you're taking the tire off the rim as much as you're just disintegrating what's left of the rim.
Yeah, whatever. I just gotta get the tire off. You know, I may just take a die grinder and cut these right through here.
And just lift the tire straight up?
Cut a section of the rim out of it, and I don't even have to do it.
I mean, there's not really much worth salvaging on the barrel.
Well, these spots are the only thing that's holding this outer ring on.
Yeah. So I was saying there's not really anything worth salvaging on this, and we have a spare wheel that's also in better shape than this, and then we've got the ones on the other tractor.
Yeah, but I gotta use pieces out of this to repair the spare wheel.
Yeah, but it's not like we're gonna damage the auto shift part of it.
Well, that part of this wheel is not what I need.
Oh, you need a section of the barrel, don't you?
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, come back. Too much of a bite when it goes all the way through the wheel.
Was this rim this bad the last time you owned it, or has it gone way downhill since you sold the tractor?
Oh, it's going way downhill. Because it held air in both rear tires when I got rid of it. But this may be the wheel. Because I remember one of them was kind of crappy that I replaced that one with that's sitting over there. But I don't remember which side it was. And the other one holds air still. So I'm going to say this is probably the one I replaced. It was pretty junky.